Work with vehicle electronics to help optimize vehicle capabilities. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. An AC-Delco GM original equipment fuel tank selector switch is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. If your vehicle has dual fuel tanks, this switch allows the vehicle operator to switch between them by operating the valve between the tanks. This original equipment fuel tank selector switch has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. Cheaper than auto parts stores and fast delivery. Works as it should. The old switch wouldn't properly switch the tanks and would stall out the truck. This new switch changes the tanks over without a hesitation.